All right, so I'm back and I will do the other side of the boat with the quickie sauce. So this is a two-part process. The first wax, again, that I use is a cleaner wax. The second wax is a professional fast wax. I guess at the end of the day, I could do a better detail, but don't forget I'm actually doing a refresh to prepare the boat for winter storage. This process fuels the economy in the New England area annually this time of year. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first pass through, this is actually part 2 of a 3-part segment covering the process of winterizing your boat for the season. Before I forget, make sure and click on the subscribe button and smash that bell icon. Now that that part is done, I will cover the boat up so that I can transport it to my local marina. And once there, they will winterize the boat. I will bring it back to the house. And the last stage of this winterization is to have the boat wrapped. So stay tuned. During this process, as you can see, my kids like to play the sidelines. Parents will be parents, and kids will be kids. Such a beautiful thing. So getting back to the process, again, this is just an overview, especially for those of you in the world that may inspire to purchase a boat, and you don't know really what you're up against. If you're in the New England area, this, like I said earlier, is an annual process. So just be advised and ready. And of course, there's a cost factor. That would be another video. And I purposely didn't go over all of those necessities. Just wanted to give a quick overview of what the physical commitment is in boat ownership. So as you can see, the process moves more efficiently when it's more than one person getting the boat ready for travel. So if you don't have a vehicle that you can pull your boat with, then that's an issue. So come along as we take our boat to the marina. This is the perfect time for me to also include that your boat's trailer is an item that goes on the list of what needs to be maintained. We've quickly arrived at our marina. Here I will have the professionals take care of steps 1 through 8, leaving me more time to focus on steps 9 through 11. Having our boat maintained professionally by the marina technicians has worked out very well for us during our years of boat ownership. This is a great list to follow, creating a framework of what's required annually. Like I said, I focus on steps 9 through 11 and leave steps 1 through 8 for the professionals. So there's that. Our boat is ready. Thank you for watching.